Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Well, I've got some pretty colors I'm going to use today. And some of them are acrylic inks that I've mixed with my bloom pouring medium. So that's my Glidden Premium. Eggshell. I'm just gonna spread it out a little bit more. Just so it spreads to all the pieces of this maple leaf that I cut out. All right. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what I have here. This is like a turquoise. This is the acrylic ink, Liquitex acrylic ink, turquoise deep. I'm going to put this one down first. I'm doing a bloom. Close these up. These seem to close pretty good. I got these from the Lowly Leffy store website. And my new Lowly Leffy mat. It's getting well used. And this green is not ink. It's metallic green by Artist Loft with a little bit of phthalo in it. I just needed another green, so okay. Now I have, this is Pinot Gris, actually this is a TLP I'm going to use up. It's just a little bit. So it's a pigment. It's kind of a greeny gold pigment. So I wanted to put it down on a darker color. And this is ink. This is gold. Iridescent bright gold. It's probably too much paint for this little thing. That's okay. This is a plum color. It's like muted violet. So I just mix them all with the bloom pouring medium. And my recipe's in the description under my video, and this is sap green ink. Okay, I'm going to use black cell activator. I hope this works good. Ooh, that's pretty. Yes, a lot of ink. I'm sorry, a lot of paint on here. I love that. I did get a little bit of white coming through, but sometimes you can't help it. And a new skewer. Let's poke out a few of them. If you haven't been here before and watched my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. Comment below, let me know what you think. All my recipes are in the description. Plus I have a recipe card on the Lowly Luffy website. And I have a discount code in the description under my video for the Lowly Luffy company. And if you order anything, you'll get a discount. I think it's 10%. The prices are pretty fair. And these mats are great for your spinner. I have one on my table too. Needs a good clean right now, but you just wet it down and scrape it or peel it off. It depends how thick it is, right? Okay, now what am I going to do here? All right, let's just give it a spin. I'm gonna have to put some of this on here. plum color. Looks really pretty with that green. Just going to take these off because I don't want them to drip on my table here. Oh, gee whiz. I gotta get more of this off. Sometimes if you put a little bit of paint here, it helps it. Ooh, she's looking good. What's slippery? Seems to be not moving anyways, so that's pretty good. Sorry, that's off with camera. All right, thanks for watching. I'll put the dried results at the end of the video. And hopefully it dries good. Have a good day, everyone. Happy painting. Hi, everyone, here's my dried maple leaf with acrylic ink. It's a little wet in the middle, but it's drying really good. Pretty colors. I love it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.